how can I reduce my PPC cost without losing sales? The easiest way to reduce your PPC cost while keeping the same amount of sales is by removing wasted ad spend. Defining wasted ad spend. Wasted ad spend means it's not anymore in the strategy that you created for the account, or it's clearly showing that you tried to gain additional market share but were unsuccessful. Let's say 50% of your ad spend goes into these gaining more market share campaigns, and you just see that, hey, this is not working for me. Those keywords that probably were a year, 2 years ago helpful for me to get sales are not anymore. I'm not in a competitive advantage against my competition. So those would be things to make sure I'm reducing my PPC costs. That is a waste. Another way you can reduce this goes hand in hand with the first step. It's going to be opening up all the campaigns that currently are running within your account, assuming that you have more than one campaign. If you had the one campaign, go nuts on the one campaign. But the way how you would do this is open up the campaign and see what you're currently targeting and what are you not currently targeting. Really important, what are you currently targeting? If you have clear signs that you have multiple products within one campaign and multiple products that are just bleeding money, there's the one product that maybe it brings 2 orders for the total of 30 days or 5 orders for the total of 30 days. Those would be the targets that you would be, or products in this case, the products that you would be keeping enabled. The rest of the products that are either hemorrhaging money, getting clicks, no sales, pause them. Quick tip, and you're going to thank me later. Why am I telling you this? We recently, almost 2 months ago, took over an account where this was the case. So they had a lot of active campaigns. And what we did first on our end is we trimmed down everything, right? So when it comes down to trimming, only the wasted ad spend, that was the first thing we paused right away. Mistake that I learned on my own, and I want to share it with you. And this was recent. So we left in a few targets that were enabled, but there was no traffic on them. We were thinking if they are not getting clicks, it's not going to bother anyone. Wrong. So what happened? And this is in 2-3 days period. Keep in mind, we are every day in that account, opening up everything and checking everything, and still slid through. What happened is that one of the targets, product targets, were active. We paused everything that did consume. From that campaign, we left a few products that literally had no data. We said, okay, let's give it a try and see how they are going to perform. It was so hard to find this product. And then the way we actually found it is like, okay, we did not know what is going on. ACA still kept high and we did not know what happened. One of the products picked up, probably just because there was more traffic and it was not competing against other terms or products. That product took up the second in ad spend for 2-3 days, and like, oh my God, why did we even consider that this product should be still enabled? Keep in mind, this is my 5 years of experience. It was not neglect. Everything was well prepared. Even if you're very well prepared, there are unknowns you don't have control of. Your mission is to learn and iterate as fast as you can. We noticed in 2-3 days, this was the ad spend. We also notified the brand owner, and then we could provide accountability, transparency, letting them know, look what happened. It's realistically not neglect, but a product picked up out of the blue. Now we have a strategy in place. This is never going to happen again. You can have the product done and let it consume budgets. Even after 5+ years, you can learn stuff. Humility and teachability are the 2 main skills that you can have as an ad manager.